Okay guys, take a look at this. If I tell you this is plantain, will you believe me? I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I made this moi moi using just plantain alone. So if you're interested, watch to the end and also help me to share. As you can see, I have here with me green plantain and ripe plantain. I'm just going to peel off the skin, chop it into smaller sizes before I blend it with my blender. So I was just scrolling my Instagram page when I saw this post go past my timeline. This lady made moi moi using just plantain, green plantain and ripe plantain. I was like, this can't pass me by. As your girl will love to try new things, I jumped into the kitchen. So next I went in with my tatashi onions, and then I added the plantain and a little water. When you're blending yours, be mindful with the quantity of water you are adding. And then I'm going to blend it very smooth. So I didn't put all the plantain. I grind the first one, and then I open the blender. I transfer the leftover one into it again, cover it and blend it until it is very smooth. When you're blending your own, make sure you blend it very well because you don't want to chop plantain inside it. So next I transfer it into my bowl, and then next I'll go in with oil. Next, I added my seasoning, crayfish, I added pepper, and then I went in with my fish. This is sardine, and then I'm going to also add corned beef, which is totally optional. You know, whenever I'm making my moi moi, this is the process I normally use. And then I'm going to mix it up nicely. Guys, take a look at this. It don't even look like plantain. It look like moi moi. Next, I'll use my moi moi leaf to wrap it. You can use foil, you can use cup, whichever thing you have, you can use it to wrap this. Hence, you wrap it properly. So I scoop 2 spoons into the moi moi leaf, and then I'm going to gently fold it properly and then put it in the pot to cook. Now tell me, does this recipe look like something you would love to try? Let me know in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, please help me to share it. Today's special hug goes to Tony, watching me from Nigeria. Thank you so much for watching my video, Tony. I really appreciate. So I cooked this for about 25 minutes. And then guys, this is it. It really came out nice. If I don't tell you this is plantain, you will not believe until you taste it. The taste is out of this planet. Like, it tastes so nice. While I was cooking it, I was wondering how the taste is going to be, but it came out perfectly well. It tastes amazing. Honestly, if you try this recipe, you are going to fall in love with it. Looking at it, it looked like moi moi, but when you put it in your mouth, it tastes like ripe plantain. I really like the taste. I enjoy myself. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please help me to share it. See you on my next one. Bye.